Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So this is one of those videos I hate doing where I have to emphasise and apologise for something that we have done wrong. So yesterday, late afternoon, we issued out a number of storage invoices. So as everyone should know, Bullion Now offers 3 months free storage for any purchases that you make. And then after 3 months, we actually charge, I think it's 0.66% including GST, for storage on the value of it over 12 months. Unfortunately, there's been a glitch in the process and we've sent out a stack of invoices to people who haven't quite had the full 3 months on their storage. So anyone that's received one of those, I need to apologise for. It was purely our fault. It's purely a screw up in our back end. So we're really sorry if you received one of those invoices. Do not panic. We haven't shortened the days or anything along those sort of lines. You still get the full 3 months of storage when you make a purchase. Please either ignore the invoice, we will delete it out of our system, or alternatively, you can just get a request of getting your stuff sent out that little bit early if that works for you. But absolutely, you still get the full 3 months. Don't panic about that. We haven't shortened it. And my full apologies for you receiving an invoice that you should never have got in the first place. That's all I wanted to say. We'll talk again very, very soon. See ya.